Coolant is used to give cooling effect to cutting tools and it works as lubricant while cutting different type of materials. It plays a major role in your productivity. Same like cutting tools, power sources, these cutting fluids or coolant cost you up to 5 to 50% of your manufacturing cost. In this case, the coolant management plays a major role in cost saving. We use different type of filters to remove solid and fluid contaminants from the oil as much as possible. Even after doing this, there is a pretty much amount of coolant which goes along with chip conveyor into the chip bucket. Do you know this wastage may go up to half liter to 1 liter per day, which approximate cost to 3000 to 5000 rupees per month for each machine. Here we are introducing our new coolant collector, which will automatically suck the coolant from chip bucket and put it into the coolant tank without any external power source or pump. We just have to put this device to the main coolant line with the help of a T-joint. This device uses your main coolant pressure to create a venturi effect and provide you suction effect at the inlet showing here. We connect one end of PU pipe to it and another end to suction cup. That suction cup goes to your chip bucket. Once you switch on your coolant, that device starts sucking the coolant from chip bucket and put it into the tank along with its outlet. Coolant collector is totally maintenance free, easy to install and durable. Contact us now to order or to have a free trial. Thanks for watching.